Have you heard of Andrographis? It's known as the king of bitters, and for a good reason. This powerful herb has been used for centuries to boost immunity, reduce colds, and reduce inflammation. Studies have shown that Andrographis may boost your T cells, which is your immune system's first line of defense. Struggling with joint pain, Andrographis may relieve joint stiffness and reduce joint inflammation. Let's not forget gut health. It helps to balance your microbiome, get rid of bad bacteria, and helps improve digestion. Immune support to inflammation control, Andrographis does it all. Have you tried it? Drop a comment below. Subscribe to our video for more tips and tricks on how to transform your health naturally.